made an excellent choice.
I am just making some fun of my accessories. So right here I'm going to shoot a slow-mo slide, smooth slide going towards that thing right there. It said Aloha, Ode and Ian vlog. I don't know where Ode bought that. I think she bought that in Russ. So right here is a Pico dolly. It is a dolly, tabletop dolly with the camera right there. It's not recording, but yeah, that's how I roll. Alright everybody, welcome to another vlog. So I've been working now for 2 days and I'm really sorry if I upload a little bit late, because I'm coping up with the edits and stuff, whatnot and whatsoever. I just want to say thank you so much for watching and subscribing this channel. Alright, my battery is dead and I think that's it for today. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye. Where is my camera? Alright. Woo! Good morning everybody. Welcome to another vlog. It's Alexa time.
It's 11 a.m.
Alexa, I love you.
That's nice of you to say.
Chaka. Anyway, so as always, Ode left me a assignment for today because I am not working. So right here, I just want to share you guys. These are my assignments. These are like the quick, easy outdoor light. It's a solar light. You just stick it on the garage. And this one is a LED lights, because I love LED lights. This one are for shelves. I will put this on my garage. And look at this. I saw this in IKEA. It's a 3 size, so you can't be wrong. And this one is like $5. This one is flex and clear. It's just a spray that you could put on something that it was leaking. So I need that. And this one is just a shelves. I will install this some other time, but not today. This is like a shelf that you could put a picture frame. Right, camera, adjust. It didn't adjust so well. Hoy, camera, adjust. Right, oh, wow. Look at this. I think Ode copied this idea from Pinterest. She saw it, so she just said, oh, why you don't do that? So I kind of like do it. So super cool. I just put nail on this one, and then I'll just put some white paint on this so it will cover or it will blend in. But so anyway, this Nest is a thermostat that controls the HVAC or the heater. We don't have air conditioning here or like for cooling. It's only for heater because it's cold here. Yeah, this is a learning thermostat. You could control it by your phone. Here is a shoe rack or something. It has 3 parts or components. That's the thing, drones. We went IKEA yesterday, but I didn't bring the camera, so kind of like SUCK. So yeah, that's how it is. I'll just put boots or shoes, and I will install this or secure this to the wall so that it wouldn't flip. We have this before. Also, I asked Ode to, hoy, camera, lights. So we bought this drapes because I need it, because sometimes I work graveyard. Problem is that one is too long, but we'll do. Alright, over here it's a closet. We just put curtains because before it has a door, but the problem of the door is it is broken, so I kind of like take out, and then just for now like this, because my plan for that is I'll put a mirror sliding door, but maybe next year. Just kidding. So right here now, this is our second bedroom. We sleep here, and try look with that. You know, you could not really sleep like this amount of light coming in. So this is the closet door. Closest door. I don't want to show my thing over there. So what else should I say? I think that's it for today, and no, I'm just kidding. So I'll just start working and see you in the next clip. Alright, quick tips before installing something that, you know, you have to screw on the drywall. You have to put a anchor walls or drywall anchor. There's a lot of types of anchor, but for now I'm just using this anchor. It's just a this is just like a normal anchor. But if you're installing a heavy fixtures like this one, I have to put a anchor on that one. And about that one, I just use a push pin because that one is lighter, so it's not really a big deal. So I'll just show you guys what it looks like just putting a push pin, and it's much more easier, you know. So I don't know if you could see, focus camera. That's the push pin right there, and it really holds well with that one. And this one, whoop, oh, almost fell. So right here I'm going to drill a hole over here, and to secure this one, and the other one I'll secure it with the screw and with the anchors. Notice here that there's an electrical system or the light switch. I do really hope that there's no line over here. So before that, you have to check if there is a stud or electrical cables in here. Oh yeah, it's a good thing to mount fixtures into the studs. Alright, so this is a wood stud finder with metal, electrical. My camera is time to retire, bro. Just kidding. I love this camera. It's very important to check first before drilling a hole because it will ruin your project or stuff. See, meaning like that is there's an electrical wire running on this wall. So I have to take into account with that. There's no stud in here? Oh, there's a stud. Oh, this one is a stud. Is it? Yeah, this is a stud over here. This is just a damn ass idea. No, I'm just kidding. This is just the way I try to figure out what is the center or where I will drill a hole. So I just put a pin, push pin, just to have a reference, and a tape so it will hold. So I will try this idea. I haven't tried this idea for so long. So I have two hands. Where is the hole? There I put a mark on both sides. So if I take this out, there's a mark, and there's a mark over here. So meaning to say that's my hole. Guys, I am just showing you the effect of or the purpose of a drywall anchor screw. This one is not a drywall, this is just like a compact wood or something. Anchor. So that's the anchor already, and so we'll see how it works. Focus! Oh my god, I'm selling this camera right now. Okay. If you could see here, the anchor is splitting up, and that will hold the fixtures. I put already the new anchor, and here is my mark. It's small. Here I drilled a hole, right? So I kind of like make a mess over here, which is the residue of the drywall. So this is your hole over here, and just put a tape on that section so that dirt will fall over here, and it will minimize your mess. See, it collects dust rather than just falling. So the first one, I did not do that. I just remember, oh, I have to do this. So that's how it works. Alright, so I'm done, and this is pretty secured already. It will not go anywhere as long as it's secured. It is okay. Next assignment, I will install this LED lights. Ode wants this to be in the TV, so I'll show you guys my partial installing of this thing. So right now, if you could see it, focus. It has a red part. Okay. Woohoo! So this is the LED stripes. I just put a temporary tape because I want to see it, how it looks like first. And also I would, right now you couldn't really see the beauty of it because of the lights. Ooh, I like the light. It's like a soft light in photography. But yeah, that's how it looks like. I will put another on the bottom. Okay, so that's how it looks like right now. I changed it to the bluish blue something. I just moved this thing so I could reach at the back of the TV, but so far okay. But before, I have LED lights I installed in my bed before, way back in the condo, and I think this one is much better. The one that I bought is such a, I think it works only for 3 months and then it just faded, and I don't know, it's a cheap kind. Wow, I found a hidden secret. So I'm about to paint the bathroom, this one wall. I already prepared it, but look at that. That's a hidden something over here. Oh my god, I'm glad that I found this thing right here. So I kind of removed the mirror, and I found out that there is no screw in here. There is no anchor, but I was like, well, how come there's no anchor and it holds very well? Not that I know that there's studs in here. Wow, I could put a cabinet in here. Whoo! Alright, focus, madam. So yeah, you could put inside cabinets or whatsoever, but yeah, I'm so happy with that. So you would never know if there's something is hidden, so that's why you keep exploring. Alright, hey drone, long time no flight, no fuel. Look at this, how they caulk it. Such a mess right here, and I have to remove this way up there so I could re-caulk it and paint this one and make it look nice, because over here they messed up over here. They just put caulk and then just do like that, which is like, finish the caulking, and for me it's kind of okay because in a straight line and like in an even shape, but I overextend the caulking over here, which is kind of SUCK. Anyway, so it will blend when I will paint this in white color. So this is it, how it looks like over here. This one is a mirror before, but I'm still battling how should I, maybe I'll put a cabinet something over here. Woo! Alright, it is nighttime, so I am just testing out the LED lights that I installed in the TV. So Wow. It changed colors. It's like multicolor.
Good job!
So what can you say?
Good job. I remember you did that in the room back when we used to live in the condo.
Yeah. But that one is like only one color. But try look at that. Woo.
It's so nice. How do you turn it on?
Look,
Can you attach like a thing for Alexa to just turn it on?
You have to buy something. Okay. So that's how it looks like right now. It's super cool. Oh, that's a Seahawks color. Alright guys. Good night. Yeah.